Namaste everyone. Come and sit down on your mat. Close your eyes. Keep your both palms on your knees. Just take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we'll chant one time Om all together. Take a deep breath in. Om. Join your both palms together. Slowly bow down your head. And then while blinking, gently open your eyes. Just come into tabletop position in your mat. Okay, now inhale, look up, and exhale, look down. We will do cow and cat pose. Inhale, look up, roll your shoulders, open your chest, and exhale, look down. Make a hump on your back, lock your chin on your chest. Again, inhale, look up, exhale, look down. Inhale, one more time, and exhale. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up higher and come for the downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees one by one, shake your knees. Now slowly walk front and stand into Samasthiti. Okay, come inhale, raise your both arms up over your head. So exhale, go fully forward down. Ready, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, press your palms, come back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdmukha. Sat, exhale, Adho-mukha, downward facing dog. Hold one, deep breath in, deep breath out. Ujjayi breathing, create 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your both knees and jump front into halfway look up. Exhale, go fully forward. Inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round again, you come inhale. Raise your both arms up. Do exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round again, you come inhale. To exhale. Ready, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Panch, inhale. Shut, exhale. Hold 1. Look down at your navel point. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Now we'll do sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up for Utkatasana. 2, exhale. 3D, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Just first shake up and down. 1, inhale up and exhale down. 2, shake your legs. 3, push your hips up and down and keep your hips square. 4, inhale up, exhale. Try to just push yourself more forward, more further. Yes, nice. Inhale up and exhale again, push it down. Now jump back Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bring your left leg front. Raise your both arms up again and now again shake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go forward. Inhale, all the way come up. Utkatasana, Utkat, chair pose. Exhale, Samastiti. Second round, you come inhale again, raise your both arms up. Do exhale. 3, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale. Sat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Hold into warrior B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale again, jump back Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha and exhale, Adhomukha. Now bring your left leg front. Again, hold into warrior B. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhmukha. Exhale, Adhomukha. Downward facing dog. Now just shake your legs. Bend your legs 1 by 1. Okay. Now bring your right leg out of your right palm. Bring your right leg out of your right palm. Yes. Out, right palm. Yes. Now change. Take your right leg back and bring your left leg front. Out of your left palm. So with jump, you have to change. Okay. Now start. 1, change. Jump and change. 2, 3. Push your leg more front. 4. You have to push your leg more front while jumping. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, jump fast. 8, don't stop, jump. 7, 6, very nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your right leg out of your right palm and hold. Right leg out of your right palm and hold. Yes, very nice. Now bend your both elbows, bend your both elbows and drop your elbows on the mat. Now push your hips up and down as much as you can push. Keep your back knee straight, don't bend your knee. And keep your hips pushing downward. Now stretch your arms front, straight your arms, and just go deep from whole body. Just press your hips down. Try to touch your chest down. Keep your hands straight and don't drop your knee. Your knee will be lifted and straight, and you will keep trying pushing your hips down as much as close to the mat. Very good. Okay, now take your right leg back and bring your left leg front. Okay, now again shake your hips up and down. Don't bend your elbows now, just shake for now. Keep pushing. Okay, now bend your both elbows, drop your elbows on the mat. Hold there for a few counts, few seconds. And now straight your arms front. Straight your arms and keep pushing your hips down. Don't go front. You have to push down. You have to not go front. Now slowly take your leg back. Again, shake your both legs. Again, bring your right leg out your right palm like this. Come on the side arch of your right feet. Come like this. Now push your right leg away from you with your right hand. To drop your back knee on the mat and flex your toe. Yes, and keep pushing your right leg away from you. Now keep your legs safe like this and drop your elbows on the mat. Don't bring your leg back, just drop your elbows. Now tuck your toe and start your shake. Keep your knee straight. Shake up and down. 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now again, stretch your arms front, both arms straight, and try to go as much as closer to the mat. Very good. Okay, now drop your knee, flex your toe, and bend your left leg towards your hip. Don't come back, just bend your left leg towards your hip. And just keep your leg pressing. Okay, so press and push your hips down. Keep pressing and push your hips down. You will feel stretch on your left front thigh, left quadriceps of your left thigh. Very good. And now take your leg back. Release and take your right leg back. Change your leg, bring your left leg front. Same we will do with our left leg. Come on the side arch of your left feet. And push your left leg away from your body. Your leg will push away. You have to not push your upper body far from your leg. You have to push your leg. Okay, now drop your elbows, tuck your toe and start your shake up and down. Okay, now drop your knee on the floor, flex your toe and straight your arms front. Stretch your arms. And remember, do not lean to the right side because then it will not stretch properly. Maintain your balance in between. Now bend your right knee and push your right feet towards your right hip. Saloni ji, keep pressing your hips down as well. Hips को down press करिए. Okay, release and then take your both leg back. And then again shake your legs.
My main problem is strength. I don't have strength over here. So that is why
Okay.
if my weight is on my arms na, to wahan pe I lose it. So because my concentration is over here, so it pains. So that's why I'm not able to do with my legs. Legs,
Okay.
I can do the legs because I like I could feel कि अच्छा वो I can like reach stretch it. But the main problem is head because I cannot like put the weight of my body on the arms. So that is why I
Yeah.
lose it.
But after practicing, you will get it. And after doing Ashtanga, we are jumping back, jumping front, you will get that strength fast. Okay, so don't take. Okay, again, now bring your right leg between your both palms. And come for upper lunges and keep your both palms behind your head. Interlock your fingers and lift your upper lunges. You will tuck your toes. Okay, you will your toes will be tucked and your knees will be lifted. Now push your hips up. Exhale up. Inhale down. See, you will bring your right leg like this. You will bend your leg. Keep your both palms behind your back and now start pushing. This is called upper lunges. You have to push as much as closer to the mat. Okay? Okay, now start 1. Start your shake. 2, 3, 4. Inhale down and exhale up. 5, 6. If you do with the proper breathing, you will get more good result. 8, 9. Go deep into the position and just hold. Don't shake now. Go deep and just hold. Don't drop your knee. Keep your knee straight. Hold for 5 seconds. 5. Hold it there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now place your both palms one side. Move your leg more front. Move your feet more front. Drop your hands one side and move your feet more front. Like this. Okay. Now inhale, look up and press your hips down. Look up, hips down. but your knee will be straight, okay? Don't drop your knee. Now start pushing. Now bend your both elbows. Now your main motive is to not push your leg away from you, but to keep your knee close to your body. Again, hold, hold, hold. Stay there, everybody. And now place your right hand under your right leg and just flat. Again, don't drop your knee. Keep your knee lifted. Place your right hand under your right leg and left leg by the side and just go down. Hold. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Mia, don't drop your leg like this. Keep your leg active now. Feet. Don't drop your leg like this. Keep it closer to your body. Do not push it away. Push it near. Yeah. Okay, now drop your knee, flex your toe, and bend your left leg towards you. Like this now. Yes. सलोनी जी, जो आपका लेग है वो आपकी बॉडी से दूर नहीं जाएगा, बॉडी के पास ही रहेगा, ठीक है? उसे अंदर की तरफ पुश करके रखेगा नीज को।
एक बार ही और दिखाना।
आप फ्रंट से देख लीजिए कैसे लेग ऐसे रहेगा आपका, ऐसे नहीं रहेगा, ठीक है? Your leg will not like this. Your leg will be like this.
Yes.
Bend your knee, grab your ankle, and just push your leg down. Okay. Just feel the stretch. Keep pushing your hips down and release. Change your leg, bring your left leg front between your both palms and right leg back. Okay, now come for the upper lunge. Hands behind your head. Okay, now shake. Inhale down and exhale up. Inhale and push your hips down and exhale, come up. Keep pushing. Now go deep and just hold. Don't shake. Go deep and hold. Don't lean front. You have to lean. You have to push down. Hold there. Now drop your both hands one side. Keep your knees straight. Again, shake up and down. Now bend your both elbows. Same shake. Now place your left arm under your left leg. Place your left arm under your left leg, right arm, right side open, and just lay down front. पूरा शोल्डर आपको लेफ्ट लेग के नीचे रखना है, रखिए, ठीक है? शोल्डर, okay. Now drop your knee, flex your toe, and press your feet towards your hip, and keep Keep pressing. Yes. Very good. Slowly release. Take your both legs back. Relax for a few seconds. Just now we'll have complete our sun salutation that we have left in minute. Now bend your both knees, jump front, come into downward facing dog. Bend your both knees, jump front. Exhale, go forward down. Inhale, come up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Dukati Chakrasana. Okay, now go on wall or see something like this wall nearby you. Place your right leg on the wall. Okay, I'll show you here. So you have to place your right leg like this on the wall. The much you will place your leg up. Just slide your leg up. Keep your hips front. Your leg will go up as much as you can take. Take your leg up, then grab your ankle and just go forward and feel the stretch on your leg. Okay, you have to place your leg like this on the wall. Pull your leg more up. Saluniji, keep your hips square. Your leg is turning like this. Your left feet will be also front. Left feet front, yeah. Yes, now take your right leg up. Okay, now grab your ankle and go forward towards your right leg. Try to touch your head on your shin bone. And slowly turn yourself to the left side and exhale, go forward towards your left leg. And your right leg will not come down, okay? Turn yourself left side and exhale, go forward towards your left leg. Good, Rahul ji, चाहिए खींचे और आपको नीचे. Change, go towards the left leg. Slowly leg down and then change your leg. Same thing we will do with our left leg. This will help in improving your Utthitasta Padangushtasana, which we have in Ashtanga. Now change your leg, right leg down, left leg up. Again, grab your left ankle and go forward on your left leg. Now again, come front or turn to yourself to the right side and go forward to the right side. And feel the stretch which is coming from your leg. Okay, now slowly drop your both legs down, shake your legs and start front kick. You have to do front kick with your leg 10 times with right and 10 times with left. 10 times you have to do front kick with both of your legs. Just kick one time, but do it properly. Take your leg back and then forcefully kick up. So Your knee should touch on your shoulders. This much you have to kick. Very nice. Okay, now I come for Anjani Asana. Take your left leg back, right leg front. Take your left leg back. Yes. Now drop your back knee on the floor, your left knee on the floor. Flex your toe. Yes. Now you have to not keep your right leg in 90 degree. Just move your right leg more away from you. Like this. This is Anjani Asana. Your leg will go away. Push your leg more away until and unless your toes start lifting up. Do not lift your toes. जब आपको लगने लगे कि अब आपके टो उठ रहा है तो आपको वहीं पे स्टॉप हो जाना है. Just hold it like this. Main focus is to आपके पीछे जो left thigh है उस पे main focus रखना. Keep your main focus on the left thigh that it will touch on the floor. And hold like this. Maintain your balance. Do not hold like this because it will not give you that stretch properly. So keep your both hands on the knee. Slowly से आपकी feet उठ रही है. Feet को drop करके रखो. Knee, agar if you feel pain in your knee, use some cushion or something in your knee, okay? Because in this knee will hurt. You now keep pushing your hip down and maintain your balance in between. Now bend your left knee and just push it in. Like this, you have to maintain the balance. Good, Rahul. बस अपने hips को push करिए यहाँ पे और push करिए. Very good. Very nice. Hold. Hold. Now slowly release and then change your leg. Bring your left leg front and right leg back. Again, hold into Anjani Asana first. Okay, now bend your right leg. Keep pressing your leg towards the hip. Mia, just push your hips down more. You have to not sit straight, push down. Okay, release. Release your legs, shake your legs, do some butterfly. Then come and stand in your mat for front split. You have to split, do front split. Hanumanasana. Okay, come for the come for the Anjani Asana, and then from Anjani Asana we go to Hanumanasana. Okay, bring your right leg front, take your left leg back. Again, same position. Drop your knee, move your right feet, move forward. Flex your toe, back toe. Move your right feet, move forward. Move it, more until and unless your toes start lifting up, move. Okay, now hold 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now look here, what you have to do. From here, just come on your heel and just push your leg and come for the side split, front split, sorry. Come for the front split. Just move your leg away. You can use block for keeping your hands, but don't lean. Just keep your spine straight. If you keep your spine straight, your whole weight will come on your hips and it will move down. One thing more, you have to keep focus on your left front thigh, that it should also push down. Because if you will not push your left thigh, your alignment of the Hanumanasana will be wrong. Hold, don't come back, just go into the position deep and then hold for a few seconds. Again, we will hold in this pose for almost 1 minute because holding is key. Mia, your right leg is going more right side. You have to keep it in front. Don't take your right leg right side. Just keep in front. Right leg will go straight. Pull your toes in. Pull your toes in. Keep your knee straight. Front knee straight. In. Keep your knee straight. With each and every seconds, you have to increase and go more further down. Okay. Move your leg more. Last 10 seconds. Hold there. Now come back and then change your leg. Bring your left leg front and right leg back. You just hold it there. I'm coming. Okay, first come into Anjani Asana and then start pushing your leg more further front and then come straight for the Hanumanasana. Again, hold, don't come back. Push more. "30 seconds more, hold it there. Last 10 seconds. For 10 seconds, you all will try to go more further down. Push your leg more. Last 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly come back. Shake your legs, do butterfly. Hug your both knees, press your knees properly. Okay, now we will try compass pose. So you can keep your leg bent like this, or you can also keep your leg straight. But I will prefer you to say that you should keep your left leg bent. Keep your right arm, keep your right leg on your right shoulder, and grab your out feet. Now straight your leg and look left side, okay? And you have to pull your leg as much as up. Try, everybody try. No, not like this. First, to put your leg on your right shoulder.
और एक बारी दिखाना. वो show it once again.
Okay. You can keep your leg straight as well, or you can bend. Grab your left feet from your right hand. If you will do your left leg, press your left palm down as much as closer to your hip, and then you can straight your leg. And look right side. It's okay, just try. राहुल जी, जो आपका दूसरा वाला हाथ है उससे पकड़ो leg. Now grab your leg from your left hand, opposite leg from your opposite hand. And then just try to rotate your leg outward. Your leg will not like this, your leg will rotate like this. Leg will go up. Try. Toes up, in. Your toes will be in, heel will be out. Very good, Rahul ji. Knee ko straight kariye. Everybody keep your knee straight. You can now drop and change. Drop your right leg and then change your leg. We will do the same with our left leg.
अगर नी स्ट्रेट नहीं हो रहा है तो क्या करेंगे?
थोड़ा टाइम के साथ स्ट्रेट हो जाएगा, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस के साथ. अभी बस ट्राई करते हैं, जितना हो सकता है हम उतना ट्राई करेंगे, होल्ड करेंगे. अब बाद में धीरे धीरे आदमी.
ठीक, ओके.
We now change, try with your another leg. Nice. Sir, hold. Okay, one more thing. You are not rotating your legs are just straight. If your legs are just like this, you are not rotating like this. You have to rotate because your heel will go right side and your toes will come this side. So the leg will like this. The leg will not be like this, okay? So try to rotate your thigh inside, your leg inside like this. Rotate your leg inside. Yeah, now it is better. Now try to grab with the opposite hand. Slowly जी, opposite hand से grab करिए. कोशिश करिए. You can use rope or something from next time to grab your leg. Okay, slowly down, and then shake your legs. Now the next, grab your heel and then just straight your leg. Grab your heel and then just try to straight your leg up.
For this, can we use the ropes?
Yeah, you can use. You have to push your leg closer to your body. Okay. Your thighs should be touching your belly, your knee, to your head, and your leg up. Cool. Very good. Rahul ji, very. Saloni ji, बहुत अच्छा. Yeah, very good. Now drop your leg and then change your leg. Keep your legs straight, Mia. Both legs straight first. Leg straight. Then try. Knee straight, knee straight. And slowly leg down. Shake your leg. Do happy baby. Do happy baby pose. प्रेस करिए अपनी नीज को और नीचे. प्रेस करिए नीज को. रोल करिए, साइड करिए. And then slowly release your leg. Sit in any comfortable pose. Close your eyes. Take deep breath in and deep breath out. Now we will chant one time Om all together, followed by 3 Shanti. Deep inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together in front of the heart. Gently bow down your head towards God and thank God for giving us strength for today's class. Namaste to everyone. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask.
Yes, today's asana, whatever we have done, where it was it already done, or this was the first time we were doing all these asanas, except the sun salutation A and B?
See, I give classes regularly on this, so these continues, asana continues. So it's not like that it is first time. We have done it before, but other students.
No, I have I have missed only one class. That was on the Saturday. So I don't know. I was feeling like
okay.
This asana was the first time.
Yeah, for you it's the first time, but we do regularly on our this online sessions. Okay. Any other question?
Rahul ji, like this asanas were done on Saturday because I
No.
missed the class on Saturday.
No.
No. On Saturday we have done. Yeah.
Okay. So for me, it was confusion also because whatever you were telling, I was not able to do. So it's yeah.
Why?
So,
It's okay in starting. No, in starting, people not get easily. Yeah, we have to, like whatever I have said, just practice by yourself. When you practice by your own, you will get much better result. Okay. So whatever the drills we show here, just practice at yourself by whenever you get time, so you can achieve your goals or asan, whichever you want to do.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Like, on what time are the classes on? Because I joined the class really late, and I'm just wondering, like, are there?
It's 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian timing.
2 p.m. every day?
Yeah, 2 p.m., 3 p.m. Monday to Saturday.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Okay.
So there's no, and what sort of a class is that one? That's like just a general class, or?
Today is like Hatha class, not.
Okay.
But we also practice Ashtanga in this time. With Hatha, we also practice Ashtanga.
Okay. All right. I'll join tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye. Take care, everybody.
Thank you.
Welcome.